Welcome to the Mysteries of Ancient Egypt. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating myths, the epic tale of Osiris, Set, and Horus, a story of betrayal, resurrection, and the eternal battle between order and chaos. Osiris, beloved by the people, was the king of Egypt. He brought justice, agriculture, and prosperity, teaching humans how to live in harmony with the land and the gods. But not everyone admired his reign. His brother, Set, god of chaos, storms, and deserts, grew jealous and resentful. Set's envy turned into a dark plot. He built a magnificent chest and announced that whoever fit perfectly inside could keep it. Osiris, unaware of the trap, laid inside the chest. Set slammed it shut and cast it into the Nile, where it drifted away. But Set did not stop there. He later cut Osiris' body into 14 pieces and scattered them across Egypt, trying to erase his brother forever. Osiris's devoted wife, Isis, would not give up. She traveled across Egypt, collecting every piece of his body. With the help of the gods Anubis, god of mummification, and Thoth, god of wisdom and magic, Isis restored Osiris symbolically, allowing him to become lord of the afterlife. From their union, Isis bore a son, Horus, who would grow up to challenge Set and reclaim Egypt. Horus, son of Osiris, trained under the guidance of Isis and the gods. When he reached adulthood, he challenged Set in a series of epic battles. These conflicts weren't just physical. They included transformations into animals, races on the Nile, and trials judged by the gods themselves. During one famous battle, Set blinded Horus, but the god Thoth restored Horus's eye, creating the legendary Eye of Horus, a symbol of protection, healing, and power. After many trials and battles, the gods declared Horus the rightful king. Set was banished to the desert, representing chaos, while Horus brought order, justice, and stability to Egypt. This myth isn't just a story. It reflects the eternal struggle between order, Ma'at, and chaos, Isfet, and it established the divine legitimacy of the Pharaohs, who were seen as Horus incarnate on earth. The epic tale of Osiris, Set, and Horus is one of the greatest myths of ancient Egypt, full of magic, betrayal, and lessons about life, death, and the balance of the universe. If you loved this story, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which Egyptian myth you'd like us to explore next.